Hello, Teacher 5am here. Now for today's video, we're going to be looking at short division when looking at the bar model. And I have a bar model here. So let's have a look at this first. The whole of my bar, the total of my bar is 4,950. So that's what the whole bar is. My bar is split into three equal parts, A, and A. And the letters are the same in each, which means that these are definitely equal. My question is this: what does A equal? So when you have a calculation that looks like this, I know the whole bar is 4,950 and I need to calculate what one part equals. There are three equal parts that make the whole, so I'm going to divide 4,950 by 1, 2, 3. So I'm just going to write that as a number sentence underneath. 4,950 divided by 3. And that is my calculation I'm going to do now. So I'm going to get this set up. I'm going to got 4,950 as my dividend. 3 is my divisor. And I can now start to solve this calculation so I know what A equals. So first of all, like we've done in previous videos, if you're not too comfortable with your 3 times table, I really recommend quickly writing out the multiples of 3 down the side, as it will massively help you with your division. So I'm going to do that now. So 0 times 3 is 0, 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 gives me 6, 3 times 3 or 3 squared is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 gives me 15, 6 times 3 gives me 18, 7 times 3 gives me 21, 8 times 3 gives me 24, 9 times 3 gives me 27, and 10 times 3, squeeze at the bottom, gives me 30. So just spending a little bit of time on this will help you a lot with your division. So let's have a start. 3 and 4, these are the first two numbers I'm looking at. How many times does 3 go into 4 exactly? 0, 3, 6. Well, 4 is in between the 3 and the 6, and so 3 goes into it once exactly. And what do I need to add to 3 in order to get to 4? I'm going to add 1. So with that 1, I'm going to put it next to my 9. So I've now made the number 19. How many times does 3 go into 19? Remember, I'm just repeating this process and again now. 3 goes into 19 how many times exactly? 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Right, so 19 is in between here. 6 times 3 and 7 times 3. So 3 goes into 19 6 times exactly, which is 18. So it goes in 6 times exactly. What do I need to add to 18 in order to get to 19? I have a remainder of 1, and my 1's going to go next to my 5, and the number I've made is 15. I'm going to repeat the same process again. How many times does 3 go into 15 exactly? 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. It goes in 5 times exactly with nothing left over. And finally, how many times does 3 go into 0 exactly? Well, my 0's here, and it goes in 0 times. So my quotient, my answer is 1,650. 1,650. Therefore, that means that A equals 1,650. So each part is 1,650, 1,650, and of course, 1,650. So there you are, everybody. That's how you do division when working alongside a bar model. I hope you all have a lovely day from Teacher 5am.